What if your favorite professionals and creators had their own action figures, each with a spooky Halloween twist or a festive Christmas makeover? Today, I'm unboxing the wildest, most creative AI-inspired collectibles you've ever seen. Get ready for SpookyDave the Innovator, Lex the AI Educator, Cam the Creator, and more, each with a Halloween and Christmas edition that's packed with personality and detail. Let's dive right in. First up, SpookyDave the Innovator. For Halloween, he transforms into SpookyDave the Hacker, rocking a dark cyberpunk trench coat with neon circuits. His gear: an AI ghost laptop, a haunted prompt grimoire, a skull drone, and a cursed tablet. The box reads, "Prompts from Beyond," in slime green. How cool is that? But when the holidays roll around, he becomes SantaDave the Innovator, sporting a silver and red tech coat with snowflake patterns. His AI sleigh laptop, frosted goggles, drone reindeer, and candy cane stylus make him the ultimate Christmas coder. The subtext: coding through the snow in icy blue. Next, Lex the AI Educator. Halloween brings us Lex the Edgy Enchantress, with a witch-style tech vest over her blazer, a haunted spell UI screen, ghost clapper, and magic board. The box says, casting knowledge spells in purple. For Christmas, she's Lex the Holiday Teacher, in a festive snowflake vest, snowy UI screen, peppermint clapper, and winter teaching board. The subtext: teaching bright and merry, in red. Now, Cam the Creator. On Halloween, he's Ghoul Cam, in a vampire-themed pastel hoodie and dark joggers, with a haunted ring light, zombie vlogging phone, and creepy PR kit. The box? Unboxing from the grave in blood red. For Christmas, he's Christmas Cam, in a candy-striped elf hoodie, Christmas ring light, snowflake smartphone, and a gift PR box. The tagline: unboxing the holidays in festive pink. Streamin' Stevie is next. Halloween turns him into Scream Stream Stevie, with a tattered gamer tee, LED skeleton sneakers, haunted stream deck, and ghoul merch shelf. The box glows with live scream, repeat, in neon green. At Christmas, he's Streamin' Stevie Claus, with a festive gamer tee, reindeer LED sneakers, holiday stream deck, and snowy merch shelf. The subtext: live, laugh, sleigh in green. Pat the Plumber, Halloween, Pat the Pipe Phantom, zombie-worn blue coverall, bloody wrench, haunted leak radar, and fixing leaks of the underworld in toxic green. Christmas: Pat the Pipe Elf, green festive coverall, candy cane wrench, snowy leak radar, and fixing holiday leaks in red. Becky the Baker, Halloween, Bewitching Becky, pumpkin apron, ghost blouse, poisoned piping bag, haunted cupcake tray, and baking spells and cupcakes in orange. Christmas: Becky the Cookie Elf, gingerbread snow apron, candy piping bag, Christmas cupcake tray, and baking holiday magic in cherry red. Fleximax, Halloween's tight, freaky Fleximax, skeleton gym gear, ghost glow sneakers, haunted kettlebell, zombie towel, and push past the fear in red. Christmas: festive Fleximax, festive gym gear, snowy LED sneakers, jingle kettlebell, snowflake towel, and push past the holidays in silver. Stylist Shay Halloween, Shay the Stylist Sorceress, spiderweb vest, ghost color swatch, cursed scissors, and fashion hexes and glamour spells in purple. Christmas: Santa Stylist Shay, snowy vest, peppermint color swatch, snowy scissors, and fashionably festive in gold. Photo Phoebe Halloween, Phantom Phoebe, ghost utility vest, haunted hiking boots, cursed DSLR, phantom memory card case, and capturing spirits in gray. Christmas: Photo Phoebe Claus, snowy vest, snowy DSLR, festive lens, snowy tripod, and capturing Christmas moments in mint green. Tat Matte Halloween, Tattoo Terror Matte, black graphic tee, skeleton sleeve tattoos, haunted ink blaster, ghost ink bottles, and inking the damned in neon green. Christmas: Merry Ink Matte, red festive tee, candy cane sleeves, snowflake ink blaster, frosty ink bottles, and tails inked in snow and green. Snips the Stylist, Halloween, Snips the Hair Hexer, Spider Pattern Barber Smock, Haunted Neon Comb, Ghost Clippers, and Bold Cuts for the Undead in Lime Green. Christmas. Snips the Holiday Stylist, Candy Cane Smock, Peppermint Comb, Jingle Clippers, and Snipping Holiday Cheer in Emerald Green. Barista Ben Halloween, Barista Ben the Brew Warlock, Pumpkin Latte Apron, Blood Brew Jug, Haunted Espresso Portafilter, and Espresso Spells and Potions in Pumpkin Orange. Christmas. Ben the Brew Elf, Snowflake Green Apron, Snow Latte Jug, Peppermint Portafilter, and Brewing Holiday Joy in Cocoa Brown. Keys. Kelly Halloween, Keys Kelly the Haunting Agent, Ghost Print Blazer, Haunted Key, Cursed Open House Sign, and Selling Haunted Dreams in Silver. Christmas. Keys Kelly Claus, Snow-Themed Blazer, House Key Ornament, Festive Open House Sign, and Selling Dream Homes for the Holidays in Royal Blue. Dr. Smiles Halloween, Dr. Frightbite, Vampire Dental Coat, Fanged Glasses, Haunted Scaler, Ghost Sparkle Paste, and Smile or Scream in Ghostly Teal. Christmas. Dr. Snow Smiles, Candy Striped Dental Coat, Sparkle Mask, Sleigh X-Ray Tablet, Snowy Sparkle Paste, and Brightening Holidays One Smile at a Time in Icy Teal. That's just a glimpse of this wild collection. Which figure would you unbox? Halloween or Christmas? Tell me in the comments. Want to make your own? Grab a free prompt pack in the description, like subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI creativity. Every profession deserves a spot on the shelf.